Up first this evening, consumers are lamenting what appears to be a rum shortage across the island, as some major brands have not been able to keep shelves stocked to meet demand.
Now, the companies say they're working through supply chain issues as they also try to balance exports. Our business reporter, Javon Keys, has the details.
Jamaican Christmas and the proverbial spirit, which is used in almost every meal preparation, from cake to punches and even stews, go hand in hand. But less than 2 weeks before the festive peak, there's an issue.
You can't hide, you know. You can't hide, I don't know.
Wholesale and bar operators say they've not been able to get their regular supply of some alcoholic beverages since early this year.
Them say rum scarce, and I be quart rum them a come to them a sell, and the customer them say them don't want a quart rum because they tamper with quart rum. We can't get the imperial, we can't get the flask rum, and when them a give the quart rum, them a tell us say two them a give you, or one, or you have to buy something with it.
Rum especially, and other similar products, red label, wine, magnum, and it has significantly affected business, the flow of business.
When you go back to buy one rum, then I sell your rum unless you buy something else, and it's really affecting us.
They say now is the worst time for a tight supply of rum.
Especially in the season now, there's a lot of restaurants and bakeries that are looking forward to these products for their baking, for the Christmas cakes, which is an annual thing for Jamaicans that we look forward to. And the short supply of these things are affecting not just us as the supermarket owners, but also persons who do this as a yearly way to earn an additional income.
Chairman of the Spirits Pool Association, Clement Jimmy Lawrence, says some rum producers are still facing supply chain issues, making it difficult to meet demand for their products. 4 major local rum suppliers, Worthy Park, National Rums of Jamaica, Ray and Nephew, and Hamden, are members of the group.
Let a number of the producers locally have issues, for example, with their glass bottle supply, as a case in point, among other things. One of the things we've experienced is actually a surge in export demand. And this obviously is a good thing, not only for the companies concerned, but nationally too, where that will positively impact our outcomes.
He says there are weather-related issues such as heavy rains affecting the production of rum products. Smaller players have been capitalizing on the low supply from the established brands, but that's still not enough. Mr. Lawrence, however, says efforts are being made to address the issue.
Working with suppliers, using intermediaries, sorting out shipping issues, a number of these things have been addressed. And so what we're seeing now is a reasonably good prognosis for the future.
While it's a tight window, he says things could improve as the busy Christmas period draws closer. Javon Keys, TVJ News.